question number 8, we have define spermiogenesis and spermiation. So this is also a question in which always we get confused that what is the difference between spermiogenesis and spermiation. So let's have a difference between these two. Here we are writing with the spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis is a process through which spermatids transform or differentiates into spermatozoa or sperm cells. So spermiogenesis is a process, the process by which the spermatids gets transformed into spermatozoa or sperm cells. So this is the process of transformation of spermatids into spermatozoa or sperm cells. This process is known as spermiogenesis. There is another process known as spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process of formation of male gamete or sperm cell. Spermatogenesis is that. Now we are having spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis is a process by which spermatids are transforming into spermatozoa or sperm cells. The next we have is spermiation. Spermiation is a process in which after the formation of spermatozoa or sperm cells, they are being released into the lumens of seminiferous tubules. Just remember one thing, that we have seminiferous tubules like this. Seminiferous tubules are lined by two types of cells from the inner surface. One is spermatogonia and another one is Sertoli cells. Now, this is the lumen of seminiferous tubule. We know that the formation of spermatozoa or sperm cells are actually taking place inside the seminiferous tubules because the spermatogonia cells or the male germ cells are present inside the seminiferous tubules only. So these spermatogonia cells will give rise to the spermatozoa or sperm cells inside this. These spermatozoas are actually embedded into the Sertoli cells to suck the nutrition from these Sertoli cells. After the maturation, after they get mature, these sperm cells are released into the lumens of Sertoli cells. We know that this spermatogonia will give rise to the sperm cells. These sperm cells will remain embedded into the Sertoli cells to get nutrition from them. After they get mature, they are being released into the lumen of the Sertoli cell here. They are being released into the lumens of Sertoli cells. This process only, this process of releasing of sperm cells or spermatozoas from Sertoli cells into the lumen of seminiferous tubule, this process is known as spermiation. So I am writing here that release of spermatozoa into the lumen of seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule. This process is known as spermiation. So this is the basic difference between spermiogenesis and spermiation. Spermiogenesis is a process in which spermatids are being transformed into the spermatozoa or sperm cells, and spermiation is the process in which the sperm cells or spermatozoa, after getting mature, they are being released into the lumens of seminiferous tubules. So this is the answer of this question number 8.